This is how you open the trunk hatch in the back if your remote doesn't work on the key, or what's it called, neither any of the ways inside, or the button in the back. So this is what happened. My sister got in an accident, as you can see from the side. See how it's dented in? And look at that lock over there. It is just crushed. So you cannot press the lock. So right after this accident, she dented the trunk. The trunk would still open for a few days. It would only open from the key. My guess is when it was hit, it probably damaged or severed some wires, except the wires that have something to do with this, remote over here. So now we cannot open that trunk, and her car, her option, doesn't have the fold seats, and this is BS. This is bullcrap. Like, why would you make a car without folding seats? That's so stupid. Audi needs to do better. Everything I researched showed me to fold these seats, but these are not foldable seats. So what do you do? What do you do with this BS? Well, this is what you do. You gotta go to this side, and you gotta take off the freaking seats. Take off the seats so you can climb in there and open the trunk, so that you can change the fuse, which is also in the trunk. How stupid is that? She couldn't open the trunk for a few months. She was driving like this, and now we got a flat tire. So I have to open that trunk to get a spare out so I can get to the tire shop. Anyways, this is what you do. You grab this thing and you jerk it. Okay, it's jerked. It's jerked open, okay? It's jerked open. Oh, there it is. See that thing? Sometimes it hides underneath this little latch wire thingy. What you do is you grab this wire and you pull it, and then you look over here. Nothing. Okay, one more time. You pull it. Nothing. What the heck? Well, that's how you do it if your trunk is not damaged. Mine is. So I'll have to figure something else out. Let's try this. Oh, almost. Ooh, so close. All right, after pulling that string and kicking this trunk, my hope is whatever got it to lock, whatever got it to get stuck, hopefully maybe it got unstuck. Because, when I kicked it, it did look like I don't know, I felt like something got disconnected inside. So fingers crossed. Yes! Whoa, I knew it. It worked. So I got the trunk open. Now I can get the spare out. I still want to check the fuses in the trunk to see if I can get the inside button to work.